welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Pinterest showing blank white screen. First of all, you're going to restart the app by swiping it up from the bottom of your screen and then swiping it away. Then go ahead and turn on airplane mode for a while, wait for 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off. Next, you're going to restart your phone. Hold the power plus volume button together and then hold the power plus volume button together and then swipe to power off, then restart and reload Pinterest. After that, you're going to update the Pinterest app. Go to the app store, search for Pinterest and then make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Safety tip: avoid logging in on untrusted sites or networks or Wi-Fi. Quick fix: reinstall the app to refresh all files, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.